What's going on, everyone? This is Keep 'em Going Garage, and in this video we are working on reupholstering some old barrel furniture. I was able to get this barrel furniture from a family member, and we dug them out of an old barn, and as you can see, the elements got to them a little bit, but there ain't nothing I can't fix. I numbered each stave so I knew which order they went into and how to put them back together. I cleaned them up, put a new finish on them, and clear coated all the metal pieces. I used tung oil to finish all the wooden pieces. I added the strapping, layered it with the burlap, had to splice in a little section, cut out the leather, started hand stitching it. Took me probably 8 hours to hand stitch it all together and tack it down in place. And that was pretty much it. Stay tuned for the next installments for the barrel furniture. Thanks for watching.